My name is Rajat Nair. My register number is URK19CS1107. Today we're gonna talk about on the topic greedy algorithm for scheduling tasks with deadlines. So actually, what is this? Uh, we will provide some tasks with deadlines and profit. So basically, we have to find maximum profit with the following number, with the following jobs. Like if there are 5 jobs and like 5 tasks, so we will be giving profits and deadlines. So we have to get maximum profit from from the tasks that are given. So let's move on to the code part. So what we have done, this code is written in C++. So I have done include IOStream and algorithm. Using namespace, I have created a structured task which has character ID, which has ID char and dead and profit. Dead means deadline and profit. Now also I've taken a function named comparison which compares A profit and B profit, basically which compares two jobs task. Now we are providing print task scheduling which has an array and number of tasks over there. So basically we have to sort. So basically we have given some task and with deadlines and profit, so we need to arrange them in a decreasing order of profit. So we will done int result n bool slot n for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, slot I equal to false. For int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So another for int j equal to min n, array of I dot dead, basically for deadline, and -1, j less than equal to 0, j minus minus. Now if slot j is equal to false, result of j will be I and slot of j will be true, and then we can break. Otherwise we need to again iterate and check if there is any slot. So basically if over here, like we can say in int main, like the main loop, we have provided some A company, B company, C company, D company, E company with their deadlines and profits. So what we have to do, we have to get maximum profit with a sequence of tasks that will provide a maximum profit. So we have to provide a sequence of tasks. So what will it do? It will first arrange in a decreasing order. So it will go iterate and check and arrange it in a decreasing order of the profits. Then it will check whether any check a slot which is available for to put that in the sequence. So for that, this for loop is there, this one, and this for loop is for again checking the compare again getting the slots which are not used. So there are 5 tasks over here, A, B, C, D, E. So you can see A has 2 deadline and 100 profit. B has 1 deadline, 19 profit. C has 2 deadline, 27 profit. D has 1 deadline, 25 profit. E has 3 deadline, 15 profit. So basically we have to get a maximum profit sequence of tasks. So now we will run this code. So as that you can see, following is a maximum profit sequence of tasks. So you can see the sequence is CAE. So basically what it has done, the code has done, it has got the decrement, like the in a de- uh, descending format of profits. And so now it will go and check. uh, so there are 2 deadlines basically of 2, so that is A and C. Now it will give the highest profit to the last 1 to 2 second, and it will get 0 from first 0 to 1 second. It will have 27 as the main profit, that is C. So it will go C A. Now 0 to now you can see B will not come because 0 to 1 is occupied by C, and also D will not come. Now E can come because 2 to 3 slot is remained, so it's not useful, so E will come. That's why you can see the sequence of task is CAE. Thank you.